Hi TVS. Today we'll be going to see about while loop. Okay, this is the presentation. Though today we are not doing practical, so we'll be learning some theory concept, and then we'll be going to lab session. Okay. So without wasting time, let us start. This is our jntulabs channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So let us take a tool. I take this tool highlighter. So just subscribe me. So let us start. So overview we will be seeing about while loop. This is one looping concept. So we are starting with first loop, that is while loop. Then we'll be seeing one example of while loop. Then how flowchart of the while loop. So it will be easy for you to write answers also in your JNT lab. So let us start. This is the overview. Next is while loop statement. The in C. So while is a keyword. Just remember while is a keyword which is used in the C programming language. So the syntax for while is while open braces. Here there will be a condition, loop repetition condition, which is very important, which keeps the statements inside this while loop repeatedly doing. So if we require addition repeatedly doing, see for example I want to add, I want to get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I want to what I want, I have to type it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I have to type. But if I take this while loop statement and if I write I equals to I plus 1, sorry for the disturbance. If I take I equals to I plus 1 and it is I equals to 0, if I initialize it, then it will be good doing 1, it will be doing addition and it will be printing repeated number of times as we want, as much the loop condition gets false. So here loop repetition condition is controls the loop. Okay, controls this while loop. So statements are repeated as long as the loop conditions is true. If the loop condition is true, then only the statements will be repeated. That is the thing. And the fourth point is the loop is called infinite loop. If the loop may be infinite, the condition will always be true. For example, while 1 I is equals to 1, and if I don't increment or decrement I, and if I put that I equals to 1 in the statement, then it is nothing but the condition will be always true, and say hence will it will be infinite loop. Hence it will be an infinite loop, so we can't stop the execution. So that is nothing but your infinite loop. We can make this while loop as an infinite loop. We use this while loop as infinite loop in our embedded programs. Embedded programs requires like blinking of LEDs. It should be always blinking. The LED should be blinking always. So at that time we'll be using an infinite loop. So the loop will be going to infinite repeating conditions, infinite repeating statements, and always the lights will be blinking. So at that statements we require a infinite loop. So else in C programming nowhere we will be using an infinite loop in our lab. So that is the statement and syntax of this. Let us see an example. So this is an example of a while loop. So where count is a variable which is taken as 0, and while this count is less than 7, hence 0, initially I have initialized this count as 0. So 0 is less than 7, so the statements here will be get printed. So it will print hours, scanf, it will scan hours, it will be scanning and it will be placing in hours, and printf rate, so it will be floating. LF is nothing but floating. I have only discussed about D, and F is nothing but your floating. So it will be stored in the rate, and pay equals to hours into rate. So small program where employee is working in an hours basis. So rate, how much rate you will be entering, and they will be multiplied in per hour this much. So this many hours they will be paying this, and they will be printing it. Okay, pay is 6.2 F pay, that is the pay, the value of pay will be done. So it will be how many employees are there total, there are 7, less than 7. That is 6 employees are present. So 6 no 7 employees are present. So because the while loop will be repeated first to 0, then it will be then it will be incremented here. See, the loop is incremented here and it becomes 1, and again this loop executes. Again it goes. Again it's always it turns and turns. The loop will be repeated and repeated until and unless it will become 7. When it comes to 7, 7 is less than 7, that is false. So it will be printing all employees processed and loop will be stopped. This is a simple example for the while loop. And let us see the flow chart. The flow chart is look like, so we have initialized it. See, employee is nothing but equals to 0. So 0, it will be checking here. The 0 will be coming and it will be checking. 0 is less than 7. It is true. So it will be executing these statements. Get the data, compute the pay value and display the pay. Then increment it. And again this will be going. The loop will be going here and again it will be checking the statement. It has incremented, so 1, again it is true, again it will be doing unless and until it becomes 7, it will be doing performing its operation. And then 7 is less than 7, that is false. 7 is equal to 7, not less than 7, so it will be false and loop will exit the loop. This is how the while loop works. Okay, we will be seeing a live demo of printing first 100 numbers by using this while loop in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends as much as possible, because it will be helpful for others also as well as you, if you think it is an helpful channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.